A KPI visual turns a single number into a story: current value, target, trend, and how the business is performing against plan. Executives live by these. Anatomy of a KPI. A useful KPI has four ingredients. Indicator: the current value, for example, pound 482K revenue this month. Target: what it should be, pound 500K. Trend: how it has been moving, sparkline of the last 12 months. Variance: percent above or below target, ideally color-coded. Power BI KPI Visual. The built-in KPI visual takes an indicator field, current value, often a measure like total sales. A trend axis, usually date. A target goals field, the target measure. It then shows a big number, a sparkline, and a green-red status against target. Card visual. The simpler card visual shows a single number with a label. Use it when there is no meaningful target or trend. For example, customers today. Multi-row card shows several measures stacked, useful for a scorecard panel of KPIs: revenue, cost, profit, margin. Conditional formatting. For any KPI in a table or matrix, use conditional formatting background color rules to apply a color scale or specific thresholds. Pair it with arrow icons for variance columns. Designing executive KPIs. Put the most important 3-4 KPIs at the top of the page, large and easy to read. Use a consistent color language: green equals good, amber equals watch, red equals action. Always include the time period in the title: this month, YTD. Try this. Create executive KPI cards. Add a card showing total sales formatted as currency. Add a KPI visual with total sales as indicator, date as trend axis, and a target measure: sales target equals 500,000. Add a card for YoY percent with conditional formatting: green when positive, red when negative. Arrange the three across the top of a report page.